And Miss Sydney Crespo at courtside. Pingris getting his first touch of the basketball against Lawrence Balyari. The drop step, easy 2 points. Welcome back to the MPBL, Mark Pingris.
And they really wanted him to get it on the post. Mark Pingris.
Turnovers, especially in a game against a team as deep as Binyan. Mark Pingris.
Especially adding on with Mark Pingris.
Team One-Stop Shop Appliances ang subok at kompleto of Binyan. Team owner of Recycle for Binyan. Raimundo sets up Mark Pingris and he gets the call.
A lot of scoring load for the bench.
15.7 points per game under Coach Nat Gregorio.
In his first stint in the MP.
The defense, Pingris wants it against Tosicos. Pingris taking his time. Pinoy Sakuragi, the drop step and score. Coach Joey Dada wanting an offensive foul. I think there was an elbow sticking out in that move.
No, you cannot challenge that.
Lloyd Fernandez will be burning his last time out of the first half here with 1 minute and change remaining sa ating second quarter. Mark Pingris scoring on that last play. He has 9 couple of years. Pingris gets the pass from Pamboy, and Pingris, there's an added spring to his step tonight.
Seems to be very excited to be playing again here in the MPBL. In the inside, alam nila na mas malaki sila compared dito sa Bulacan. The loss of Christian Hernandez will be very getting new opportunities.
Imagine losing, wait, let me do the math here. Almost 30 points per game with the departure of Obalde, Hernandez, and JC Karangtang. Lastimosa this time goes left, leaves it for Pingris. The Pinoy Sakuragi connects on the floater.
The one thing I love about Mark Pingris is that he will look to attack but then have that floater in that last second when
taking his time here against Andre Dolalia. Raimundo cuts inside. Hindi napansin doon ni Eric Zabel.
Oh yeah, he was looking at the weak side. Then his man was already cutting through. So good timing by Pamboy. Good find by Mark Pingris.
Take a look at the display of the game brought to you by Buenas. The unselfishness being displayed there by Mark Pingris, finding.
And he also expects the same from his other teammates. Pwede daw silang magsabi kay Kuya P. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Sid. Great report there and right on cue. Mark Pingris showing that the love for the game is definitely still well and alive inside of him.
The question is, nasan dun yung kaba? You know, Mark Pingris already a many-time champion representing the country and just still putting in the same effort. So I don't really see the kaba, but the heart, the passion, the willingness to win, it's always going to be in Mark Pingris.
And a lot of great players here in the Philippines, maybe also abroad. No?